Our role as VUB and Mobilize and Shift2Zero is that we're leading the work on the user and mission specific requirements. So we're looking at what users prefer in the vehicle design, together in close collaboration with partners TOY and IKA. We're also leading the work on the Brussels pilot demonstrations in the Shift2Zero project, where we will demonstrate shared ELCVs. And we're also leading the evaluation of the pilot demonstrations that will happen across the different pilot sites, as well as the scenario simulations that we will do in preparation for the pilot demonstrations. The problem in the market is often that vehicles are designed in a way that they are a one-size-fits-all vehicle model, while we are specifically looking at vehicles that can be user and mission specific. So that can, for example, fit, let's say we have one vehicle that would fit for a parcel delivery use case, but that would also be able to be used for cold chain deliveries. So for example, we could add a cold chain cargo body so that the vehicle itself is basically suitable for different use cases, and with that also for different user applications. The method we use to uncover user preferences for electric light commercial vehicles, ELCVs, is called a so-called choice-based conjoint analysis, where we conduct choice experiments where users are confronted with different vehicle features that can either be basic features such as purchase price or a battery range, or also innovative features such as the swap box, the Paxter box, or the multi-temperature cargo body of the Shift2Zero project, and where they look at vehicle configurations and select the configurations that they prefer. So in the end, we look at the utilities and the preferences based on the selection that users make. Our solutions will hopefully help to provide vehicles that are that match different use cases, so that we have a vehicle that is first of all a zero-emission electric light commercial vehicle that will help to improve sustainable logistics, but that is also made to fit different use cases. So that can, for example, be used for cold chain transport by including a multi-temperature cargo body, or that can be used for dual transport, which means the transport of goods or passengers, where we have seats that are foldable, so where the cargo area could be adapted, or a swap box that would help with the transshipment across different kind of vehicles. So where we can also integrate the use of different kind of vehicles, for example, from a Paxter to an electric van. During the real-life demonstrations in Brussels, we will test shared electric light commercial vehicles that have a dual transport function, which means that they could use either for the transportation of goods, so for logistics purposes, or also for the transportation of passengers, also for companies, for example, that have a modular module that would help to adapt the cargo area. So we will run that demonstration together with a business park in Brussels, where we will test these functionalities together also with other innovations such as the swap box, the geofencing functions, or also the infrared cabin heating.